What if you could control your image generation effortlessly and for all in real time? I'm not Dave Batista, but shout out to my bold brother. I'm Benjamin from Cogniwerk. And I had some time over the weekend, so I recreated some cutting edge features you might know from Krea AI or ChatGPT. These tools can be powerful as you can instantly generate an image or influence an image composition in real time, but you can also modify AI images just with a simple question. I reverse engineered some of these features on my Potato PC just to see if they are worth implementing on Cogniwerk. So, inspired by Krea's instant generation feature, this tool delivers now results instantly. So, take a look at this. I built a really simple user interface, and now I can pick something together like knight in full body armor. Let's make him like in full golden body armor, and then maybe something like forest surroundings, cinematic composition, something like this. You get the idea. And now, so I had just an instant generation of this image, and I can now also change something else, like maybe something like silver body armor, or maybe not forest surroundings, but something like urban surroundings. Yeah, you get the idea. So, like the instant feature, you know. Okay, so the second thing I want to show you is something the Copilot. We call it I call it the Copilot. So unique changes. You can just describe what you want, and the AI updates the prompt and changes the image. For example, I can now use like natural language. You maybe are familiar with this from ChatGPT. Something like generate an image of a car. Maybe let's make it an awesome car. So I generate the image, and there you have it, like a beautiful car, beautiful blue car. It's really awesome. But now I maybe want to change the color, so I say something like make it red, make it red, and hit the generate button again. And there you have it. Same surroundings, almost the same car, but now it's red. Actually, this feature is even better than from ChatGPT. Look at this. So I almost did the same thing, generate an image of a futuristic car, and then you get a hovering car. And I said, hey, thanks, but make it red. And now you get another car. But is it the same car? I doubt it. Same with Krea. Krea also now implemented a feature. I did the same thing, generate an image of a green car. I got beautiful 3 green cars. I said, thanks, make it red. And I got also beautiful red cars, but it's different from the composition and also different cars. So this is one of the features I implemented at the weekend. Another thing I want to show you is the instant death. The instant death feature where you can actually do something for the next level, adjust the image via the composition of another image dynamically, and also prompt instantly and get instant results. So let me take an image. I prepared something for you here. I put it in here, and like this is like a really easy image. I just bash it together. There's this man, there's this mountain and some car, and now I can just put it in here and say something like a man is standing in the desert, something like this. And there you have it, like a man is standing in the desert. And I can also make him standing on the moon, and you get something moonish here. So of course this is really rough, it's not perfect yet. Also I want to really implement something like layers so that you can move around these objects and get like an instant result of everything here, and you get the idea. So these features open up new creative possibilities. So we would like to ask you, what features actually do you like? What features should we integrate into Cogniwerk? So drop us a comment below, and we are really excited about those AI creativity. So hit like and subscribe, check out my next video here, and see you soon. Bye.